What's up, everybody? Beautiful day. Woke up this morning, got on this tour to, I think it's called Ouzoud. It's about a 3-hour journey, 3-hour drive to get up to this place. Look at that. I'm not sure how big of a drop it is. These waterfalls are amazing. And they got all these little, it's like a village in here. Got boats you can ride on. I think we're gonna go down there in a second, but we just had to walk to the top, get a good view of this. This is really, really cool. What do you think? Look at it, get it, because then you can see like a waterfall from the mist. It's awesome. Perfect. I think that's a hotel up there they're making. Sorry if I feel a little lazy. Woke up this morning just dizzy as hell. I don't know what it was. We were supposed to leave at 8:40. Woke up like 8:30. Had to hurry up and get our shit all together. Oh, there's monkeys up here too. Look at this. Tessie. Look at me. No? You want to? Okay. Sit. Sit. Now sit. Sit. God damn, that's royal. It's beautiful. I'm always a sucker for these monkeys. Here, little fella. Some more?
Maximum.
15 years. Yeah, it's pretty calm. Nice
He's like,
monkey.
you guys, I'm just real tired.
This is awesome.
Even on that view without the waterfall is awesome.
I know. It's gonna be sick from down there.
Then you turn around and you see a monkey and a waterfall.
Little shop up here in the mountains. Selling rugs and scarves, different pieces of clothes. We ended up getting to like some little cafe point here. We pretty much trekked down this entire mountainside. Actually, we were right at the top of that place. And I'm not sure where we're going from here, but this is an amazing view. I want some of that orange juice. Everybody's taking pictures. I'm ruining everybody's pictures. It's actually quite the trek. Going clear down to the base of this waterfall. I realize it reminds me a lot of Havasupai, where they had like all the little pockets of water at the bottom. Not the same turquoise water, but it's still pretty amazing. That was a good time. Got quite a bit of sun out there though. And of course Tessie forgot my sunscreen here on the table. Oh well. But that was cool. That waterfall was huge. I loved it. We just got back. Ended up being about a 3-hour drive. And the place is actually called Ouzoud. I was butchering it earlier, calling it like Zuzu or something like that. But I'm pretty sure it was Ouzoud. And it was pretty much straight east of Marrakech. We just got back to the Riyadh right now. We're just gonna shower, get cleaned up. Not sure what the rest of the night has planned. I think we're gonna set up a tour for tomorrow. We kind of want to do like a city tour where they take us to like the monuments and the mosques and all that and see what Marrakech has. But tonight I think I'm debating on taking this camera down there. They got like some snake charmers and everything. You just gotta pay them to get a picture or a video. I think I'm just gonna take a pocket full of change and give them, you know, $1 or so just to get a cool video for you guys. Otherwise, they get pissed if you pull out your camera and try to take a video of them. I was trying to like Shazam a song last night walking around, and the guy shut his music off because I wasn't going into his shop, and I was trying to listen to the song. As long as you give them a little bit of change, they won't care. What should we do the rest of the night?
I don't know. I want to go and shower, and then I want to go downstairs and call kids and figure out what we should book for tomorrow.
I kind of want to do a city tour, I think.
Yeah, I don't know where you're getting that from, though.
Nowhere. Just thinking about it. I know they probably have one somewhere.
Actually.
Look at this. It doesn't go down. It just...
Every time somebody brings out fire, we're like,
That's gorgeous. God damn. Ended up finding this sky bar up here. Just roaming around. Kind of left the Medina and just checking out the newer city. Getting a couple drinks. It's pretty classy. Look at this. Got a pool up here. Too bad we didn't stay at this spot. Your guitarist in there. Man, this is cool. Restaurant bar on top of the city. Got a DJ up here. Got some Arabic trap music going on. Pretty royal up here. Awesome, man. That damn guitar would just serenade your ass. Heading home through these dark little alleyways at a late night. Hola, sorry it's so late.
but still ask him.
Thank you. We had a pretty wild night last night, not gonna lie. We got back at like 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning. Didn't end the video too well, so I'm gonna end it right here. That was a great second day here in Marrakech. Actually, it's like noon right now, 12:30. We kind of wasted the morning, but at the same time, we've gotten like little to no sleep this entire trip. We were out really late. We actually got up at 9 and had a pretty good breakfast, some fruit and some bread, but went right to sleep. Tessie's up in the place right now, just grabbing a few things, and we're gonna go back out to the main square. I wanna get some cool videos of like a snake charmer and stuff, and we got a little tour planned ahead. I guess I'll check out the next vlog for that, so day 2 done. We'll see you later.